like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant, I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom, always in bloom for
you. So day job, I work with playing with instruments. I install telescopes for folks, but I used to work for Mount Rainier and we did astronomy education, and ever since then, 6 years ago, I wanted to get more people outside in a night sky. So like, you're fulfilling a dream, absolutely fulfilling a huge dream, and you guys are helping support that. Like, I'm just way too humbled. I got a fiance that cares for me all the time and puts up with all the astro stuff, sleeping on the ground during artisan residencies randomly, but I'm just happy you guys are here and excited for this. I mean, we got epic clear skies for the next week, it looks like.
an infatuated light. Although it hurts me to be with you, I'm always in bloom, always in bloom for
So I would zoom in, like hold your zoom button and kind of scroll around and see is a photo in focus like you like, which looks like. Hey guys, Matt Dieterich here. I'm with a great group of students on this astrophotography workshop at Mount Rainier National Park. Doesn't get any better than this. We're just hiking through some of the meadows here. We just finished up shooting sunset, beautiful alpenglow on Rainier, and then the tattoos just across the ridge. So we're gonna set up and do some astrophotography when it gets dark and explore the dark skies here at Mount Rainier.
Like I did, and kind of lay it on your shoulder, and it's supported. The lens is supported by the body of the camera. That's kind of your most secure spot. And just fold those up, and you're good to go.
Hey, sweet.
You could always zoom in. This is Adobe Camera Raw. You do this in Lightroom, but I do it in Photoshop. So basically, I'm gonna exit this. So one thing you could do, you could really, number one, let's fix the color balance. I'm gonna try to find some blank sky and just run with that. And so find a few iterations. It's interesting how it kind of changes quick. It doesn't take much to do it, but something like that, and if you boost that saturation up. So we got done photo editing. Now we're on the way up to Reflection Lakes. We got Mount Rainier behind us. Just doing a little bit of scouting because the Milky Way over to our right is going to be pretty beautiful through the valley. But first we're going to go explore Reflection Lake for sunset and then hang out before it gets dark tonight. Like to frame
Right,
to the side,
right.
that might be kind of cool. Just right there, that's awesome. Look at that, that'd be cool. If anyone wants to try to do star trails, let me know and we can try to set that up and run for the hour. If you guys want to attempt a panorama, this is another perfect spot because you have the Big Dipper up high. So you could do a multi-row panorama and that's pretty easy. So I think if we have an hour of time, I recommend us trying to do the panorama technique instead of the star trails from this spot. If we were here for longer, then star trails would be fine, but I think it's gonna be a little bit easier to come away with something that you guys would be happy with. And the panorama technique is something that it's advanced, but it's quick to edit in Photoshop. So we just got done shooting Reflection Lake. It is already doing up a lot. It's a little bit after 12:30, but we came back over to Inspiration Point. We have the Milky Way over to the right that we scouted. So we're gonna get set up and shoot the canyon with the Milky Way over it, facing some of the glow from the city of Portland, Oregon. So you could aim for reflections tonight. If you want, you could attempt some panoramas on some of the techniques we learned yesterday. We're gonna be here for a little bit. You can set up a time lapse if you guys have intervalometers, if you want to run something like that. Or you could just practice your single shots again.
is your favorite part of the workshop been so far?
Being able to look and navigate in the sky that I don't normally get to see something like this.
Were you expecting the skies to be this dark, or were they more than you expected?
This is darker. This is the darkest sky I've ever been under. It's freaking awesome.
What was your goal for the workshop?
Be able to like plan and get a really clean image of the core of the Milky Way.
Were you able to do that?
Oh, sure as shit was.